All right, so this is Math 221C, Statistics, Group Meeting for Lesson number 6. So does anybody have any questions on
I do not.
No.
I don't think so.
All right, cool beans. You guys want to go right into the quiz?
Yep. I'm good for that.
Let's do it.
Sounds good to me.
Cool, and it's only 12 questions today. All right. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of mean histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
It'll be skewed right as well because it's not a large number.
Right skewed.
That's what I got.
Right skewed. Yes. All right. When you're taking a sample size n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution?
Normal.
When the parent population is right skewed.
Normal. Pretty easy.
When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution? It means when the parent population is normally distributed.
A lot of these questions.
That is going to be normal because once my note says when
It just is.
yeah, this is the sample size. I don't know. It becomes large. The distribution sample becomes large as well. So, or it's still normal. Yep.
Okay, I'll agree with that.
All right, question number 6. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of distribution of mean histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
I think that's normal as well.
Yeah. All right, when the distribution of means be normally distributed, choose all the correct responses. Data are drawn from the population that is normally distributed, and the sample size is small. I don't think it's correct. Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed, and the sample size is large.
That's it too.
Data. What was that?
That's the answer for it as well.
Yeah. Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed, and the sample size is small. Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed, and the sample size is large.
I think the fourth one, but not the third one.
Distribution means be normally.
What about the second one?
Choose all correct. Are you guys still there?
Yeah.
Are you guys still there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Frozen.
Would you guys say it's the second one and the fourth one?
And the first one as well, because it's populations are normally distributed, so even if it's
So both the first two?
The first and second and the fourth one.
Okay. Right skewed.
Good.
Okay.
All right. I agree. I concur. All right. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? If the parent population from which the data are drawn is normally distributed, then the sample mean x will follow a normal distribution. Or for a bell-shaped data, approximately 68% of the data will be within the one standard deviation of the mean. About 95% of the data will be within the two standard deviations of the mean. Approximately 99.7% of the data will be within three standard deviations of the mean. Or C, if the sample size is large, the sample mean x will be close to the population mean. Or D, if the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of the sample mean will approximately be normal.
It's that one. It's the fourth one.
Yep, agreed.
The last one,
D.
D,
Yes.
agreed. Use the following information to answer the next four questions. Let x be a random variable with population mean and u equals 10 and population standard deviation equals 6. Suppose a sample size of n equals 36 is drawn from the population. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample size?
10.
Yep, 10.
This is way too easy.
Standard deviation is pretty easy too.
Standard deviation would be 6, right?
It'd be
Yep.
1.
What was that?
It's going to be 1. Because the square root of 6 is 6, and so 6 divided by 6 is 1.
Oh yeah.
Like, we run into the difference.
Wait, how did you get that?
You just 6 divided by the square root of 36.
And then it equals 1. Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's together. Yeah. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large and is greater than 30, what would be the shape distribution of the sample size? 30.
It's going to be normal. If it's over 30, then it's 30 or more. It's
Greater than
approximately normal.
Explain that again.
If the sample size is large, so if it says n is greater than 30, then it's always approximately normal.
Okay.
The distribution of them is always approximately normal.
if it's greater than 30.
Yes. Yeah, because that's considered a large number, 30 or more.
You're so smart, Jacob. Good job.
And then
I've
the
taken
last
this class
question,
before, so
Oh, good.
what theorem would justify your response to the last question? Would be law of large numbers.
I think it's a central limit because the law, that's the one we've been going over the whole time, is if the sample size is large, then the shape of distribution of the sample means is approximately normal. And that's what we've been going over. Or we just went over with number 11.
Approximately normal. Yeah, I agree.
Central limit theorem.
If you look back at number 8, the answer kind of answers itself.
Yeah, I just looked up the definition, so.
Okay,
I agree.
that works too.
Alrighty. Shall we submit to see what we got?
Let's do it.
I got 100. It says on mine.
All right, we got 100. Good job, everyone. You guys are awesome. All right, so that concludes the meeting. Unless anyone has any further questions.
I do not.
Somebody else getting feedback, like echoing.
I hear a
Yeah.
double echo too.
Me too.
We might have to try headphones next time.
Cool. Well, we'll just text to see what time we need to meet. Does that work?
Yep. That works for me.
All right, cool. Have a good
Sounds
night.
good.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Sorry so late.
No, you're good. Have a good